esande huira bakurukurwa mu ofisi y'enganzi ihanga bakija kuhika omu mwanya ogwo gwabwenanure kinyabakazi okureba itaka eri baguzire konka kikashobera abebembezi kushanga abakuru aba bakaba batiine side y'abagurize konka barikwenda ngu abebembezi omu myanya egi baboreka itaka eri.
So whatever was done was actually done forcefully, because I remember when they came and they put these markstones of this land title, that it should have been it was on 26 November 2022. It was a forceful exercise being commanded by the RPC and the DPC. I even asked them who had sent them. They told me they had been sent by the officer of the RDC.
Lieutenant Joe Warsimboro RDC wa Kasese kuyabuzwa hanshongeji iyagira ngo nuko abakurukurwa mu ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga bakashanga itaka eri rumwe nshonga ezibakira umuntu bacondoza.
Ofisi ya Prime Minister bajja okugoberera ku by'ettaka tusobole okusengula abantu bali mu kampo kuba tubala balina okugenda. Naye lwatukamu ne wabeerawo obuzibuzibu butonotono ne tuyita n'abataka ne bajja ne twogera nabo kati issues ze bakapitalinga ne baddayo then bakomewo tulabe ekyokukola ekiddako.
Abatura bono bagira ngu itaka ryabo niringana acres 97 konka bizire kugwerwa kagwe ubwanyuma ya Isejemba Philip hamwe n'abandi bari kugira ngo binita rokingana acres 200 zibagurize office y'enganzi y'ihanga echa abatura bari kugira ngo itaka eri ryabo.
We are citizens here and we were born here and we shall remain here. If you are a man on your, in your house, I don't think that they can force you a visa to enter in your house.
This organization of my government in Uganda, because of Imamara Tavandu, Amondo Asamakundu, Omawu, Kenji Singataki, of Imamata Awaranga Maru, and our transit of Uganda.
Some said to be prudent if they had come with the one who sold them that piece of land, so that it would be the one to sell them, to show them where he sold, not us showing them that piece of land. Because when you sell something, it's you who knows which part of your land you sold.
Lieutenant Warsimbi nagira ngo embajwe zombi zigira okugumisiriza ahabwo kuba government ekiriyo neronde kyokora.
Nanule n'abali mu kampu teri muntu agenda kutwala muntu kutaka n'amaanyi nga babalimba ekyo tekiriyo enali mu government enza kukola kintu ng'ekyo.
Nka TV West twagezaho kuhikirira Philip Isejemba Hasumo konka yatugira ngu wetaine bwire bwo kugamba hanshonga ezikwasira hitaka eri. Amakuru aga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.